Kate and Alex both work in e-commerce for the same company with the same goal: making online shopping personal for customers like Sarah here. The problem is, that goal is really hard to achieve. Kate tries to make it work with a bunch of marketing technologies her team has stitched together, and Alex tries to make it work with the search and merchandising technologies his team has stitched together. By the time it reaches Sarah, even the simplest personalization feels really limited. Bloomreach empowers every business to make online shopping personal. It starts with a single view of customer and product data at the center of every shopping experience. That data fuels Loomi, powerful AI that turns a deep understanding of e-commerce into personalized shopping experiences across every touchpoint, from marketing to merchandising, email to site search. Kate and Alex connect the tools they need directly to Loomi. And with Loomi at the center, they can work together to achieve e-commerce growth, even when they're focused on different parts of the customer journey. Create e-commerce experiences that unlock limitless possibilities for everyone. Be limitless with Bloomreach.
Good morning, everyone, and thank you for joining us today for the Bloomreach Innovation Fest. My name is Raj Dadada, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Bloomreach. I think we can all agree that summer is always a pretty exciting time. But at Bloomreach, this is a particularly exciting summer. For a while now, our teams have been hard at work on some premium new features for our Loomi AI, the commerce-specific proprietary AI that's woven throughout every Bloomreach product. Loomi AI has always been what's made Bloomreach special. In fact, we have AI patents dating back 10 plus years. We've always known that this technology was the key to making personalization possible across e-commerce. And of course, now we've entered an entirely new era of AI. More is possible than ever before, and we're fully dedicated to making those possibilities available to the marketers, merchandisers, and search teams we serve. And that's why this is such an exciting summer here at Bloomreach. Today, we finally get to show you what our teams have been hard at work on. 7 new premium Loomi AI features, almost all of which are available today for you to start using. This is not a vision for the future. This is the reality of today. These Loomi AI features are using the latest and greatest in AI and LLMs to unlock personalization possibilities like never before. And more than that, these features are giving you the ability to make that personalization possible for your customers and your businesses. And from years of experience, we know that personalization isn't a single tool or solution. It's a practice, a way for brands to genuinely connect with their customers. Because we know that, for many, many years, personalization has been pretty difficult to achieve. I'm talking about true personalization. Not a single channel, but a continuous, complete experience. A customer journey that is adapting in real time across channels. There are a lot of obstacles that prevent marketers and merchandisers from bringing that kind of experience to life. There's disconnected tech stacks, for one, which make it hard to bridge personalization across multiple channels and ends up costing you a lot of money to implement and connect. There's over-reliance on IT teams. There's the inability to truly understand customers and to understand them in the context of what you sell. And of course, there's the limitation on time and resources. When your days are being bogged down building customer segments or fixing basic search issues or creating thousands of product synonyms, there's not much time left to focus on other areas. On the customer side, this all leads to unenjoyable and disconnected experiences, not to mention missed opportunities for revenue. When today's teams in e-commerce are challenged to expand revenue, nurture customer relationships, and bring personalization to life, all while facing these roadblocks, how are they supposed to succeed? Without the right tools, a team's potential remains pretty limited. And that's why AI is so fundamental to our product innovation at Bloomreach. We know that it's absolutely critical to the success of today's e-commerce teams. Loomi AI has the power to completely transform what personalization looks like and how you, as the practitioner, bring that to life for your customers. It's going to enable you to work smarter, faster, and at greater scale. And as AI continues to reshape what we're able to accomplish, there's still so much we haven't figured out yet. Right now, in what seems like the first time in a long time, technology is ahead of our imaginations. For many, myself included, that can be pretty daunting. But this should be seen for the exciting opportunity it is. Brands that dive into this new era with curiosity are not just embracing the unknown, they're also paving the way for sustainable business growth. So let's dive in together. In a minute, I'm going to hand it over to our Chief Product Officer, Anirban Bardale, so you can actually see all of these cool Loomi AI features I've been talking about. And I should point out, we have many of you to thank for these features. Some have come as a result of your direct feedback. Others were beta tested by our customers who helped shape them into what they are today. Thank you for your dedication to making Bloomreach the best it can be. And one last thing before I turn this over. If you like what you see today, I highly recommend you join us for the Edge Summit coming this fall. Brought to you by Bloomreach, Google, and NVIDIA, it's going to be an unbelievable event filled with all things AI. You can register for that event at theedgesummit.com. All right, now I turn it over to the product experts. Anirban, take it away.
Thanks, Raj. I'm Anirban Bardale, Chief Product Officer at Bloomreach, and I'm excited to share some amazing Loomi AI updates with you today across our entire product portfolio of omnichannel marketing automation, search, and merchandising. Let me start with our marketing products. When it comes to AI and marketing, broadly speaking, we typically see two buckets of AI features in the space today. On the one hand, we have AI-powered tools that help marketers increase revenues via personalized experiences across every channel. For example, contextual personalization, which automatically delivers the best variant for each individual customer based on their preferences, unlike A/B testing, which only sends out the variant that performs best for the majority, so that the user is most likely to engage and convert. On the other hand, we have AI-powered tools that reduce costs. They help teams move faster, get more things done, and streamline team workflows. For example, in Bloomreach engagement, marketers may have writer's block. They can ask Loomi to create copy for an email and its subject line. Today, we're talking about the future of e-commerce intelligence. And let me tell you, the future is electric. We're introducing new premium AI-powered features in this latter bucket. New tools that use Loomi, Bloomreach's AI built specifically for the e-commerce growth to help marketers move faster and be more efficient in their day-to-day tasks. Specifically, these new premium features help marketers automate the task of analyzing their data and finding valuable insights while leveraging cutting-edge AI technology to find opportunities for personalization and revenue wins quickly and easily. In that vein, there are three new premium features that we are announcing today: Auto Segments, Web Layer Variant Generator, Loomi Analytics Assistant. Let's take a look at Auto Segments first. As we said, these new premium AI features help marketers find opportunities, and Auto Segments does exactly that. Auto Segments help marketers uncover hidden opportunities and target the best fit customers by automatically generating high-value segments. I'm so excited about Auto Segments because it's unlike anything that's out there in the market today. Compared to other approaches to AI-powered segmentation, Auto Segments uses AI to find unique combinations of your own customer and product data. gives marketers an interface to explore the results, and gives insights about each segment so that marketers can easily personalize experiences when they target the segment within a campaign. Let's take a look at how it works. As I hop into engagement, let's pretend that I am a CRM marketer and I'd like to drive repeat purchases from my customer base. I'm interested in customer LTV, so increasing this particular metric would be beneficial to hit my target. I've sent some email campaigns, but I haven't gotten the click-through rate and conversions that I'd hoped for, so I need to do things differently. My first step is to tell Loomi where to find an opportunity. In other words, by entering these customer properties, Loomi will help find millions of possible combinations of these properties, like segments that share New York as a common location and female as the gender. My second step is to enter metrics. This is how I'll determine which segments are valuable to me. A good best practice is to enter key goals for my campaign, like click-through rate, customer lifetime value, and conversions. And with that, we're done. In the background, Loomi is using a special AI technique called formal concept analysis to find millions and millions of possible combinations of properties and metric values. Now let's see what Loomi has found for us. Each of these bubbles represent a segment. And as you can see, Loomi has found thousands of possible segments. Great! Referring back to my goal, I'd like to drive repeat purchases and increase LTV. So let's find a segment with high LTV, but hasn't purchased recently and has low click-through rate. After clicking around a few segments, I find this one that's great. This particular segment, 506, has a super high LTV, 54% higher than my overall customer base. It also has a low click-through rate, 65% worse than average. I also have learned some key insights about this segment. This segment is primarily on mobile, is female, has a skin shade of peach, has a category affinity for foundation. This is a great insight that I can use to drive more repeat purchases. Some of the reasons for the low click-through rate might be that my email content wasn't optimized for mobile. Maybe my content wasn't personalized. What I'll do now is target this specific segment in a new campaign, ensure my imagery and layout is optimized for mobile, and recommend products these customers love. With just a click, I can instantly create this segment. And because this is now a regular segment in engagement, I can use it anywhere I would normally use a segment, like an email campaign, in scenarios, in my reports, and more. So to recap, auto segments help marketers identify opportunities and automatically generates segments to target. It also gives marketers key insights about the segment based on the given customer properties, enabling marketers to personalize experiences and drive conversions. Let's now quickly talk about Web Layer Variant Generator. Web layers are in-app banners and pop-ups. Today, brands use them to collect emails and phone numbers, showcase discounts and promotions, and drive purchases with urgency messaging. Creating one web layer is super easy. Inside engagement, marketers simply have to pick a template and customize it via a WYSIWYG editor. Creating 10 variations of this web layer for testing and personalization is doable, but a pain. Thankfully, with Web Layer Generator, I can create multiple variants in seconds. All I have to do is ask Loomi to help me out. Loomi has created 4 additional variants for me in just seconds. What's important to note is that Loomi has changed the text and tone for each variant. For example, in this variant, Loomi has changed the copy to be a bit more excited, highlighting the call to action. In this variant, Loomi has leveraged social proof and urgency, including copy about how many other customers have signed up and highlighting the limited time offer. Now that I have multiple variants in hand, I can ensure the best variant gets shown to the right user, personalizing on-site experiences at scale. Back to our core theme today, which are AI features that help marketers be more efficient. Web Layer Variant Generator helps marketers automate a previously painful and boring task, making creatives for personalization. Marketers, data wizards, experience architects, I'm very excited to be talking again about our next AI premium feature after we announced it last year at our Edge Summit. Loomi Analytics Assistant is now available as a premium AI feature in Bloomreach Engagement. To start, forget everything you thought you knew about marketing analytics. We're about to blow the doors wide open. We all know the struggle. You're a marketer, a master of creating experiences, but you're also drowning in data and it can be overwhelming. Why spend hours wrestling with data when you could be creating groundbreaking customer journeys? Reintroducing Loomi Analytics Assistant. This is the future of marketing intelligence right here, right now. Think of it as your personal AI co-pilot, taking the wheel when it comes to data analysis. Loomi Analytics Assistant is your co-pilot for e-commerce insights. You just ask questions in plain natural language and it automatically delivers custom reports, segments, funnels, and overall insights in seconds. Loomi Assistant is easily accessed at the top of the platform via the sparkles icon. Now picture this. You're an e-commerce marketer concerned about customer engagement. You suspect a segment of your customer base has become inactive. You start by asking Loomi, create a report showing the total revenue generated by first-time purchasers compared to customers who have purchased more than once in the last 90 days. Loomi instantly delivers a report with a clear visualization. The data reveals a significant drop in revenue from repeat customers. Next, you ask Loomi, now show me the trend of purchases for those segments in the last year. The trend confirms your suspicion. Repeat purchases have been steadily declining over the past few months. To understand engagement better, you ask Loomi to now create a metric defining active users who have made a purchase in the last 30 days. Loomi creates the metric instantly. Now you need to pinpoint these inactive customers. You ask Loomi, build a segment of users who were previously active, made a purchase, but haven't purchased anything in the last 30 days. Loomi creates a precise segment of lapsed customers for you. Now you want to understand the last time these lapsed customers interacted with your marketing efforts. You ask Loomi, create an expression for this segment defining the number of days these lapsed customers have interacted with an email campaign. Loomi calculates that, revealing a pattern. Most lapsed customers haven't clicked on an email campaign in over 60 days. Armed with this knowledge, you have a clear picture. A segment of previously engaged customers haven't been actively purchasing and haven't interacted with recent email campaigns. Put another way, you've confirmed the hypothesis you had with actual data and insights thanks to Loomi. Now, I can take action on this insight. You design a win-back email campaign specifically targeted at the lapsed customer segment. The email content acknowledges their past purchases, gives product recommendations based on those, highlights new product offerings, and incentivizes them to return with a special discount. Your targeted win-back campaign, based on the insights gleaned through Loomi's assistance, proves highly successful. A significant portion of the lapsed customer segment re-engages, leading to a noticeable rise in repeat purchases and overall revenue. Major success! I am super excited about these new premium engagement features. As you saw, they really do a great job helping marketers save time and be more efficient. More importantly, they generate critical insights that marketers can use to personalize experiences and drive conversions. With that, I'm going to turn it over to Jordan Roper, who has amazing AI innovations to showcase for discovery. Take it away, Jordan.
Hey, thanks, Anirban. And hey, everybody, thanks for joining online today. My name is Jordan Roper, and I'm the head of our discovery product here at Bloomreach. Now, today we are standing on the brink of an incredible moment for Bloomreach Discovery. We've been focused on delivering exceptional online experiences for our customers for the last 15 years, and AI has always been a central part of that story. Now, in this era of transformative technologies, Bloomreach Discovery is continuing to lead the charge for AI in e-commerce. We announced earlier this year our growing partnership with Google Cloud. And we've been enriching Loomi AI with Google's Gemini models and Vertex AI platform to turbocharge Bloomreach Discovery and future-proof the platform for our customers for this new AI-powered reality. What we're sharing today is just a glimpse of what our product and engineering teams have built on top of these groundbreaking AI models. And we've supported and have learned from countless brands and retailers through this journey. We're thrilled to be able to continue to support your goals with new Loomi AI capabilities that are personalized for the business and for your shoppers. Let's dive in. Now, starting this summer, we're rolling out 4 new features for Discovery customers: Loomi Search Plus, AI Studio, Visual Search, and Loomi Search in 33 languages. Let's start with Loomi Search Plus first. AI has been at the core of our Discovery products since the very beginning. While other vendors in the market built platforms using rules on top of keyword-based engines, Bloomreach focused on driving greater intelligence and semantic understanding from the beginning. And so along the way, we built layers of intelligence into Discovery, utilizing natural language processing, machine learning, and our proprietary attribute extraction capabilities. This is now what we are calling Loomi Search. Loomi Search is what our customers are already using today to power product discovery, and it served them well, driving up conversion rates, reducing manual intervention, and providing a better customer experience. And we're still building on this leading capability, as I'll share later. But now with recent advances in AI, we are solving the 30% problem. Essentially, we know that a majority of search revenue, approximately 70% across our customer base, come from 1 to 2 word searches. Think backpacks or white dress or running shoes. These queries benefit from our proprietary search AI that provides excellent semantic relevance and intelligent ranking for those short tail or head queries. Now, in contrast, long tail queries account for around 30% of search revenue. These queries have 3 or more words. Think faux green plant in white vase. Now, with the onset of Gen AI, we suspect that searching patterns will continue to change and long tail queries will grow in number and in revenue contribution as consumers get more comfortable with conversational style searching. This is where vectors come in. Vector technology has improved dramatically in quality over the last couple of years and is a fundamentally different approach to delivering search results based on similarity rather than text matching. Powered by LLMs, search using vectors is a method of translating text, or in our case, product information, into a numerical representation that inherently captures semantic meaning. This is called an embedding. These embeddings are then mapped out in a high-dimensional space, with each product placed near other similar products. In this example, this means that apparel items will be clustered together, while home goods items are clustered in a separate, different space. Now, when you search against a vector index, it will return products that are semantically similar to the query that you enter. Utilizing vector technology in search is not a new concept, but there's a reason why it hasn't been widely adopted. That's because traditionally there's been a trade-off between using vector versus a keyword or lexical-based search system. Vector allows for that broad recall set, meaning you get search results with lots of products that are similar to the search query, but it comes at the cost of precision. You might also see lots of products that are irrelevant. We call that noise. With keyword search, you're getting much more precise recall sets. Every single product that is returned will be matched to the query. With Bloomreach, these results are highly precise from the many years of investment into our semantic capabilities that are in Loomi Search. However, at times, these recall sets can be very tight, meaning that you might miss some relevant products that weren't returned because the product metadata didn't map exactly to the words in the query. Now, this can be addressed with tuning, but it can be problematic for some long-tail queries. So, what's the Bloomreach approach? We are super excited to share that we are getting ready to GA what we are calling Loomi Search Plus. Utilizing models from Vertex AI, we are delivering a truly hybrid search that combines Bloomreach's proprietary data with model intelligence coming from Google Cloud. That proprietary data is important. We already have deep context about your products from our own ranking signals and semantic ontology. When we combine that with the inherent language understanding in Vertex AI, that means our customers will get richer, higher quality embeddings that produce more relevant search results than others in the market. Loomi Search Plus is an exciting evolution. Bloomreach customers will get the best of both worlds. Highly precise results from our semantic keyword engine, fused together with a wider recall set of similar products using LLM-powered vectors. From one engine, you will get the best AI to optimize both head queries and long-tail queries, helping to deliver better performance across your site. And true to our product philosophy, we're introducing adjustable, dashboard-ready controls. That's right, this is the industry's first ever dual semantic and vector search engine with adjustable levels of precision. Now let's take a look at what this looks like for the customer. Here is a current recall set for the search query nightstand. The keyword semantic search engine found 87 products, and judging by the products here, they all seem to be very relevant. Now let's turn on Loomi Search Plus. The default vector mode has now expanded the recall set to 250 products, which include nightstands, side tables, and end tables. Now, we can modify the vector precision level to high, and this means we are still turning on the vector search layer, but we're requiring some more precision. Now, the recall set has now narrowed down to 150 products, still more than the original 87, and it includes side tables as well as nightstands. Loomi Search Plus is the future of search. It allows your e-commerce teams to customize the vector search experience and align its capabilities to meet your business goals. This is what we mean by personalization for the business. And that's not all. Speaking of customization, let's jump now into our next feature. Many vendors today are a black box when it comes to algorithm controls. These vendors assure their customers that they know best and that there's no need to look under the hood. Now, while that may have been appropriate 10 plus years ago, we know that as technology has advanced over the years, so have our customers. And we currently serve some of the largest retailers and brands in the world. And just as our algorithms have grown in sophistication, our customers have also amassed terabytes of data and built strong data science teams that are looking for more levers and controls in the tools that they use today. That's why we're delivering a revamped algorithm customization dashboard called AI Studio. Last year, we rolled out the dashboard controls with the ability to configure our recall algorithms. Now, using the latest learn to rank techniques, AI Studio will offer brand new capabilities to configure ranking algorithms in the same no-code environment. That means that anybody on your team can put on the data scientist hat. E-commerce teams will now be able to train, test, and deploy customized ranking algorithms that use your own signals, like offline revenue or product ratings, and use the default Bloomreach algorithm with new weights that you set. Let's take it for a spin. Imagine that you're a search manager looking to do some experimentation with a specific category algorithm by ingesting offline revenue as a new data signal. Let's open up the Bloomreach dashboard. In here, you'll find AI Studio in the left-hand navigation, and you'll now see Ranking Studio as an option to select. We'll go in and we'll start training a new algorithm with this offline revenue data that I've just added to the product feed. Now let's add in some other helpful descriptors here so that others can understand what this model is doing. And then we'll go ahead and click Start ML Training. And that's it. It was as simple as that. Within a few days, this new machine learning model will train on the data that you gave, and we'll see an output that looks something like this. Our machine learning models have delivered an optimum weight distribution among the various performance and relevance signals. But let's say I want to get aggressive on the offline revenue data for an upcoming marketing promotion that the algorithm couldn't possibly have known about. You can A/B test another new model by overriding the signal weights. And there we have it, another algorithm training on this new signal. This is just one of the dozens of use cases for AI Studio. We're excited to give e-commerce teams the ability to sit in the driver's seat when it comes to the algorithms that power your search and category pages. Let's switch gears now and talk about how discovery is allowing for more personalized experiences for our end users. Now let's face it, the age of static internet shopping is over. Customers are increasingly expecting new and interesting ways to shop and are looking for experiences that are more like shopping in person. Enter visual search, an alternative way to search using images instead of text. We released visual search last year in beta. We're excited now to offer it to GA as a premium feature for our discovery customers, as well as introducing a new feature extension that we call visual recommendations. Let's say you're on social media and you find a dress that an influencer is wearing and you want a similar look with a brand that you love. Simply upload the image to the brand's website and find recommendations for similar products in that brand's catalog. Now, for another example, let's say I'm on a product detail page for these pants, and I also like the style of the shirt that they are wearing. I can click on this shirt and shop the look with recommendations for visually similar products. Visual search is enabling more personalized experiences by giving customers more ways to shop for the products that they love. Now, let's talk about what Bloomreach is doing to bring personalization to global markets. I spoke earlier about the way that Loomi Search Plus would be layering vector technology on top of our tried and true semantic engine. But the reality is, it's really hard to get semantic understanding right. Many vendors today are looking to vector search as their only means to achieve semantic intelligence. But like we talked about earlier, Bloomreach has already built and developed a strong semantic engine with this proprietary semantic ontology, synonym libraries, attribute extraction capabilities, and a lot more. And our semantic intelligence goes beyond what's just happening in the search bar. It's continuously watching what's happening throughout the entire product discovery journey. This richer search relevance has been available for English, French, and German languages. Now, we're excited to share that we are extending both the industry-leading semantic intelligence in Loomi Search and the LLM-driven language understanding of Loomi Search Plus out to 33 languages in the second half of this year. This means that for each of these languages, Loomi AI empowers you to understand your customer better than anyone else across the globe. Loomi Search understands when a user keys in a search phrase like small accent table, that table is the product, small is the size, and accent is the product type. It also understands what your customer means when they use more subjective search phrases like extra fluffy pillows, and it shows results for pillows even though there's no fluffy in your product data. Now, this intelligence is triggered not just at the search bar, but with autosuggest, recommendations, and during the ranking process. Loomi Search is more than just getting the right search results. It's truly understanding the customer throughout their experience. It brings the best of the very precise, semantic-based keyword results that we've built over the years, together with the general intelligence of these large language models that are empowering and evolving our product in new and really exciting ways. And what this means for you is that we'll be able to bring this semantic intelligence to more of your customers in those 33 languages that I talked about before to make global companies really limitless. And that is not all. We have covered just a handful of incredible Loomi-powered features today, but we've also rolled out a host of other significant updates across discovery. From self-service improvements, merchandising preview enhancements, advanced analytics for recommendations, and our new dynamic categories feature, please reach out to our team to learn more about how these can help grow your business. Now, speaking personally, I am just really thankful for all of our Bloomreach customers, for their feedback, their belief, and their adoption over these years. They have made these investments into our product possible. And Bloomreach is proud to serve leading retailers and brands all over the world, and we are ready to take you to the next level of personalization with Loomi AI. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone, for joining our Innovation Fest. This is a testament to the innovation you can continue to expect from Bloomreach. If you're interested in getting started with the features you saw today, please reach out to Bloomreach on this page. This fall, we'll be announcing even more exciting features at our Edge Summit, so look out for how to sign up for that. Thank you so much for joining and have a great day.